What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ben, your host. So this is the brand new DJI Flip drone that I recently acquired, and in this video we are quickly going to be looking at real footage from the DJI Flip, and I'm not going to try and change too much. And once you've set up your drone, once you open up one of the rear legs, thanks to a recent software update, you can see the drone turns on. I have about 3 out of 4 charge right there, and this is the brand new Flip. Now I'm going to use this mode button here to be able to take off and then use my palm to land through the different modes. So to change the mode, you just press this button here that's besides the charging port. So if I press it, direction track, if I press it again, and then you can see the screen on the front, which has some sort of sensors as well, shows you the mode that you are in. So you can see the symbol for follow, Dronie, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, and then the first one is follow. Now alternatively, I could go into my other iPhone here, and then if I open my DJI Fly app just like this, and then I go to connection guide, I can go down and select the DJI Flip right there, and then connect via mobile device, allow it to find my devices, and you can see it's found the DJI Flip. I'll quickly click where it says connect to it right there, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can see, do you want to join the network? And then boom, it's connecting. Now this is if you want to use your mobile device, and since this is a self-flying drone, you actually don't need to bring your controllers, your RCN3 or your RC controller. And it says choosing a suitable environment. These are some of the disclaimers that they always tell you, and you can see right there. I'll just confirm, and then I've already gone through this before, and I'll skip this basically because I know what it is. But yeah, you can see when I change the mode that the drone is in, it also changes here on the mobile device. Just to show you, you can see goes to Dronie. If I press again circle, and I'll basically go to the first mode, which is follow. I'm quickly going to do like a quick screen recording so that you can see what happens when I take off right here. So you can see the drone is right there, my phone is right here, and now I'm going to initiate the follow mode. So follow mode right here, I'm going to press and hold this for 3 seconds. Medium follow. 3, 2, 1. Boom, the drone just took off, and if I was to reach into my pocket, you can see here it's telling me that it's recording, and this is medium follow. And if I actually walk, you can see the drone follow me. I'm not gonna try and change too much. This is medium follow that you are seeing, unedited footage from the DJI Flip. I'm trying to walk kind of fast, and then I'm gonna go maybe through this and see if the Flip is gonna be able to follow me. If I take an immediate turn, it might be able to follow me. Actually, it's pretty good. Yeah. The Flip is good. I'm gonna do like a turn here like this, and then I'm gonna go back in here and see how well it does. Okay, it lost me there, and I think it's now found me. Okay, so when I do like a sharp turn, it loses me, and then if I pass by the drone close by, it does a good job at actually trying to find me through the different ways. Then if I use this ramp here, go up, this is medium follow. And then if I try and run, I'm trying not to jump up too much because my microphone might fall down. You can see the drone is following me. I think it's doing a pretty good job right there. And yeah, you can see the drone follow me. And if I want to have it land, this is unedited. If I want to have it land, I just stop and face the drone, and then I'm gonna extend my arm like this. And once it lands, it stops recording. Boom, it just landed. Now I'm quickly going to go to the second mode, put this phone in my pocket. Second mode, Dronie. Then I'm gonna press and hold for 2 seconds.
4 meters, Dronie.
4 meters, Dronie.
2, 1.
You can see the drone is right there. 4 meters, Dronie. And in this mode, it seems like, what the drone does is it's actually zooms out like that, and then it just started recording. It didn't, when it was zooming out, it didn't record actually. It started recording when it started to come in like this. And you can see it stopped recording and it's waiting for me to extend my hand. If I extend my hand like this,
Landing.
boom, that's Dronie. And now I'm going to quickly go to the next mode, press this button, circle, and then I'm gonna press and hold it
2 meters.
for 2 seconds.
Circle.
Make it face me.
2, 1.
2 meters circle. So you can see the drone is zooming out there. Yeah, and now it's actually just began recording, as you can see, and it's doing the circle around me. This is like a 2 meter circle. I think I'm just standing still, but I don't know what would happen if I was to like move while it's circling me. I think it still tracks me, but then might not maintain a perfect circle. And you can see it's just returned to the same place. If I take my hand and extend it like this, boom, it lands. So that's circle for you right there. Let's try the next rocket. So I'm gonna press and hold again.
4 meters.
4 meters rocket.
3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Motor stuck.
Motor stuck. Yeah, so my hand actually got a little bit, you know, touched a little bit on the propeller and it felt the resistance. So I'm gonna press and hold again. I think DJI recommends taking off like this. So let's try the DJI way.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, the DJI way is okay too. I'm just used to the NEO way. I hold it like this, but you can see 4 meters rocket. What happens is the drone is actually going up like that, and it just started recording right now, and you can see it just zooms up like that, and it stopped recording, and now it just started another recording when it comes down, and you can see it's now landing. And I can actually see the sensors of the drone. Yeah, the sensors underneath the drone have this red color, and now it's just came back right here. Now if I extend my hand, it lands. It actually lands pretty quick. These are the default settings for all these different flight modes that we are doing. So let me go to the next one. Spotlight. Press and hold.
Spotlight. 3, 2. Unable to take
Okay,
off.
I wasn't ready. So I'll press and hold.
Spotlight.
Spotlight.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you can see it is tracking me as I move around. Stabilized, of course, if I go down. Okay, if I go up, okay, it's tracking me, but yeah, spotlight is kind of glitchy though.
Landing.
Close. Direction track.
Close direction track.
2, 1.
This is direction track that you can see right there. As I walk forward towards the drone, it like moves back. If I move this way, it also goes that way. If I go this way, it goes this way too. It's actually moving kind of pretty fast, as you can see. So this is direction track, and then I think if I walk away from the drone, it turns into like follow mode. It's just I'm on the roof, I don't have like a lot of time and stuff. Actually, if I move away, it doesn't turn into follow mode, which the NEO used to do. It just stays there. So direction track seems to work only when direction track seems to work only when you are walking towards the drone. So if I walk this way, let's go, man. Come on, let's go this way. Yeah, I was hoping the drone would come in front of me, but yeah, this is direction track. If I change direction and then go this way, you can see the drone. If I go towards the drone, yeah. So this is what it's doing on direction track. Close direction track. Okay. Yo, okay, now it seems to be following me, at least as long as it sees my face. Like the direction track changes from direction to some sort of like follow mode from the front like this. And then if I walk towards the drone, you can see it walks. If I go this way, if I go this way, still following me, which is pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and extend my arm like this and let the drone land. You can see if I extend my hand, it stopped. Now it's coming to land. It went up a bit and now it just landed. So that's the direction track right there. One thing that I wanted to show you is, even though the DJI Flip was advertised as having like 4K 60 FPS and then like a 4K 100 FPS for slow motion, those modes are not yet here, and this is what I have right now. So in 1080p I can do 1080p 60, which is okay, but 4K I only, okay, 4K, you can see 4K 60, okay, maybe it's the 1080p 60 that you see the 60 FPS right there. When I go to 4K, it stays for a few seconds and then disappears. Maybe it's just that it's not switching fast enough. So 4K, currently I can only do 4K 30 FPS, 120 FPS, and the 100 FPS slow-mo is not yet there for the DJI Flip. So those are just quick action mode that you can do, or flight modes that you can do with this drone without, you know, using your RC2 controller or your RCN3 controller. Let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, definitely do subscribe and let me know what else you want me to test when it comes to the DJI Flip. My name is Ben and I'm signing off.